The body. Second paragraph. Mention one or two of your qualifications that you believe will be of greatest interest to the organization. Slanty remarks to their point of view. Tell why you are particularly interested in the employer, location, or type of work. If you have had related experience or specialized training, be sure to point out. Refer to the reader the enclosed application form, resume, or the fact that the XYZ Career Center has your full credential on file and will send them to provide additional information concerning your background and interests. Make sure to explicitly express that they shall hire you.
Sige, mention about your qualification. At this point in time, anong qualification ay mention mo? Ano guys ko lang?
Why?
Siyempre, hindi ka mag-apply as manager. Hindi ka qualify. Hindi nga yes. Hindi ka matapos. Di ba ang sabi
Ay, sa tubig. Ma'am. Ay, oo.
ano kanina, ang ano ba nila, ang tawag sa ila. Pero mga estudyante ako, previous years, ganun ako sa estudyante. Pero hindi ko working student,
Part-time job.
part-time job, ano ka na trabaho sa estudyante?
Mahugas pinggan.
Service crew. Ako naman yung employer aya, leadership position, leadership. Require discipline, commitment, discipline, hardworking. Yung mga academic achievements sa ERP, acceptance, kaya wala ka man honor, absolute ka, sige, doon na magsalita. Third paragraph, close. Sige, next group.
Third part. You are making a request for an opportunity to talk with the employer. Indicate that you will follow up with a phone call or email about the possibility of it. If your request is not concerning an interview, more information about the organizations and your current job openings. As that information is sent electronically. Prior to requesting this information, make sure it is not readily available on the organization. Thank you to the time. The result of your application materialization.
Sige. Closing, I am very willing to come for an interview. I have closed my resume and look forward to discussing with the Thank you for your time and collaboration. Complimentary close signature, sincerely, handwritten, or signature or printed. Nakatira o, printed na. Pero sila based sa sa abroad, wala sila nag-print. Dito sa atin, pinaprint sa atin. Sige. Keep all your cell phones and start writing your application letter. Ang may cellphone, zero na dayon ang point. That is 10 points.
Hi guys.
5 minutes. Wala ka nag-cellphone.
I-off ko man.
Sarado.
Bago injure.
Para matuto.